Good morning, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and we're here talking about the October kit for our knit club, and it's called the Alpine slipper pattern. And this is what our slipper looks like, and they're all in one piece, starting at the bottom of the foot using Judy's Magic Cast On and garter stitch. And then we have some nice reversible cables on the back. And then we have nice stretchy ribbing with an extra loose cuff at the top. And we have enough yarn in this kit so you can make your slipper twice as long as this if you wanted to. So I've made mine shorter, but you don't have to. You can make it longer if that's what works for you. And here's our Alpine slipper pattern. And there is my sample that is in my size. And then each little section we will be going through so that you can be successful in your project. But these little patterns, we now have them in a folded format to make it easier to put in our kit, so it fits in a little easier nowadays. So we are using this Ultra Alpaca Chunky, and it's 50% alpaca and 50% Peruvian Highland wool, and it has a nice almost like a tweed color to it. It's very, very pretty and nice and sturdy. We get the warmth of the alpaca and the strength of the wool, which makes a perfect combination. And then on the front we've included a needle gauge, and that is a nice sturdy plastic needle gauge. We do sell other ones that are made from metal, and sometimes those ones bend, but these ones do not. They're nice and sturdy, so they should be very handy for your projects. And I am going to be helping you with YouTube videos, or actually videos on the
private ones
on your what do you call it, Jim?
The Knit Club page.
The Knit Club page. And we will be posting those starting today, right? Mm-hmm. So I hope you enjoy your kit, and if you have any questions at all, you can go ahead and contact us, and we will answer questions and help you in any way that we can. Don't forget to make sure and watch those videos, because for each section I'm going to be showing you how to get started so that you can be successful making these wonderful knit all in one piece seamless construction slippers for your winter wear.